In each lesson of this series, you will master a common questions for Arabic learners, and then learn how to answer it like a native. You will learn how these key phrases work by breaking them down into each component. Then through repetition and new vocabulary, you will expand your understanding of the question, its answers, and any variations. So let's start. In this lesson, you will learn how to respond to the common question, "What's your name?" In Arabic this is
mā'ismuaka, mā'ismuaka, mā'ismuaki, mā'ismuaki.
Let's break it down from the beginning. The first word in the question is
ma,
means what? The next word in question is
ʻism,
means name. And next,
ʻismuaka,
means your name, is used for male. Or
ʻismuaki,
means your name, is used for female. Note that this is how you ask, "What's your name?" If you are asking a male person, you would say
mā'ismuaka.
Listen to the entire question and repeat.
mā'ismuaka, mā'ismuaka.
If you are asking a female person, you would say
mā'ismuaki,
Listen to the entire question and repeat.
mā'ismuaki, mā'ismuaki.
This is simple. To say my name is in Arabic, you just need the phrase
أنا اسمي, أنا اسمي.
The first word is
أنا
means I, and next
ʻism,
means name. Note that the word name is simply ism, and the different suffixes add the meanings of my.
اسمي,
Means my name. Then say your name. For example, if the name is Ibrahim, it will be
أنا اسمي إبراهيم. أنا اسمي إبراهيم.
Or, for example, if the name is Eman,
أنا اسمي إيمان, أنا اسمي إيمان.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.
Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.